So she's coming.
Hey, wait, Sammy. You're about to jump out of your skin. Who's coming?
Starlight!
Oh, Starlight the unicorn, your pen pal from the Rainbow Kingdom.
We'll have so much fun. I prepared her favorite snack. Sue, look! Will it be enough?
More than enough. Have you decided yet where she's going to stay?
Oopsie! I knew I'd forgotten something. What if we evict Roger?
Are you sure his smelly socks won't put Starlight off?
Phew, right, but then what can we do?
Well, how about we build a dream house for Starlight? It's gonna be the brightest unicorn house ever.
Yay! Let's do it! Yay! I've always wanted to build a unicorn house. Am I gonna operate a crane?
No, Sammy. We won't need a crane or bricks to build this house. Come join us, friends. It's gonna be fun. Purple is definitely your color. It matches your complexion.
Nonsense, Sue! I'm pink, not purple.
All right, if you say so. And be careful.
I know, no worries. Uh-oh, this stuff is sticky.
You'll become a decoration for Starlight's house this way.
Oh, just look how cute I am, Sue. I'll make any house much prettier.
Alrighty, now this goes here. And voila, the walls are ready. I'll finish with the second floor in no time. And it's ready. Do you like it, Sam?
Wow, very bright. Starlight's gonna love it.
Could you give me that paper knife, please?
Phew, those weightlifting workouts finally pay off.
Yeah, you're very strong, Sammy.
Why do we need dinosaur spikes? I don't think our unicorn will like it.
Oh, please. The house has 2 floors. And what do we need to get to the second floor? Right, the stairs. This house needs more sparkle, too.
Let me see. Oh, wow. These sparkles are everywhere. Wow.
More colors, more fun.
Yeah, I love bright colors so much.
We definitely need to secure the stairs well.
Yes! We don't want Starlight to slip and fall over. She can be a bit clumsy.
There we go. I think it looks awesome. Could you help me here a bit?
No problem. I'll use my slime muscle power. Oops, excuse me?
Ew! Sam!
Anyway, I know how to make this house more fun. Let's build a slide.
Oh, what a great idea! And it's a much easier way of transportation. Okay, here we go. Perfect.
That looks like fun. We have to do a test. Yay! Huh? Sue? Sue, I think I'm stuck. Easy.
Oops, sorry about that, Sam. Is everything fine there? Where did you go? While Sammy's on his way back, the construction works are on me. Here goes the handle. Looks pretty.
I know the way to improve it. It wasn't easy to find those pieces. Here, take these, please.
Thank you, Sam.
We can use these beads as handles? Ah! Ow! Sorry, lost my balance.
It's okay, Sammy.
Sue! What if Starlight gets hungry?
Already taken care of.
Bonjour! I'll cook for Starlight myself.
Burned eggs again?
That was Roger's fault.
Yeah, I'm just teasing you. Now, aren't these cute?
We need to stock the kitchen with healthy and yummy stuff.
Oh, and don't let Roger touch this.
He won't make such a mistake anymore. Where will Starlight have meals?
I've got it under control. Look, isn't it cute? Let's add some lace too. And voila! Let's also make something she'll sit on. It needs to be neat and bright and match the dinner table, of course. See, I've even thought of you, Sammy. This is your chair.
Oh, good thinking, Sue. This way Starlight will have a soft landing.
That's right. Uh-oh, Sam's battery is down. By the way, that reminded me that we must make a cozy bed too. Stay tuned. Sammy, it's time to wake up and help me with the mattress.
Mattress? Where? Shall I buy it?
Oh, how calm him down now. Sammy, come see this.
Wow, can I try it out? Is it soft? Is this mattress orthopedic? It sure seems so.
And the bedding will be very pretty. There we go.
Nice.
No, Sam, don't wrinkle it.
Fine.
This pillow guarantees the sweetest dreams.
Starlight must know we made it especially for her.
Say no more. Now she'll know.
Oh, an anti-mosquito net?
No, it's just a pretty decoration.
I see. Hey, this cupboard needs to be pretty too.
Say no more. Oh, and you cut all the pieces so neatly. Good job. And I'll assemble the cupboard and decorate the shelves with beautiful beads. Let's add these cute handles as well. And this is a perfect spot for it.
Aw, it's the prettiest cupboard I've ever seen, and I've seen many. Starlight loves reading. I prepared a gift for her.
Sammy, but this book is bigger than the whole house.
Oopsie, what shall we do?
No worries. We'll make new books that are better suited for her. Here we go. Isn't it cute?
Wow, this book must be very exciting.
Now Starlight will stay entertained.
Don't ask questions. Just put it on the shelf, will you?
Sure. This little portrait is so admirable. You told me Starlight likes fashion. I bet she'll like this.
I most certainly like it.
No, Sam, that's not what I meant. Look, that's it. Very stylish. But let's finish it up with some more layers.
More sparkle, more glitter.
Is this enough?
It'll do.
Look how pretty it is.
I made a couple more portraits. Do you think Starlight will appreciate them?
Oh, sure, Sammy. Besides, you captured her so well. It's time to make a cozy bathroom. What do you think, Sam?
I think she'll appreciate a swimming pool.
You have misjudged the size of our house once again. We can only install a shower.
Shower sounds good too.
Sammy, be a sweetheart. Bring me a plastic straw.
And don't say I wasn't helpful.
How could I? Hey, what is it?
We need something else. Something very important.
Oh, you mean a toilet? You got it. Here's the prettiest toilet ever.
I hope the size is right this time.
Great job. I'd love to have the same in our home.
Sue, I visited quite a few trash bins to find this.
Ew, what?
I'm just kidding.
Let's attach some glitter tape. Here we go. The bathroom is ready.
Ah, this is so good. Ah! I need my privacy, people.
Friends, look at me instead. I realized I'd forgotten an important detail. Here's the finishing touch.
How is it going?
Almost ready.
Here, take this. Starlight likes green.
Yes, it's very cute. And this is for toiletries.
Sue, the floor is too cold for Starlight's tiny hooves.
No worries, I've got it covered. With this, it's even better.
One more picture.
Oh, so pretty. I think it's very sweet of you. It looks good here. Let's add handrails for safety. This way, no one will fall down from the second floor. The unicorn house is ready. How do you like it?
I love it. I can't wait for Starlight to come.
Wow, is it for me? It's beautiful.
Yes, special for you, girl. Do you like it?
Absolutely. It's even better than my 5-story castle in the Rainbow Kingdom. Whee! So cool. Thanks for being such great hosts. I really loved the house you made for me.
Sue and I did our best because you're the best pen pal in the world. I was the main engineer.
Now, it's your turn to visit me in my Rainbow Kingdom. You'll love it. It rains candy there.
Wow, thank you. I'll come as soon as I can. Have a safe journey. Bye.
See you soon!
Sue!
What? You look so excited right now.
Bags! I need lots of ultra-large bags.
But why?
Haven't you heard? It rains candy there. I can make a stash that will last for years. Thanks for joining us and see y'all.
Friends, this is it for today. I'm gonna join Sam, or he'll leave me no candy. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.